Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm gonna be showing you SharpTruck's own The Shining Waterless Wash and Wax. Now, this is a product you use to clean up your vehicle, UTV, any of your toys without the need to get out a hose, a scrub bucket, and a wash mitt. So, as you can see, I let my vehicle get nice and dirty for the winter. What you're gonna do with this, when you get this, it's gonna be separated. You'll have two different layers. That's normal. That's normal for the product. You just take it and shake it up. Now, this has been designed to ensure that it does not scratch your vehicle with these particles. You know, you're not gonna get any dirt scratching up your clear coat or anything. You just wanna make sure you don't have large chunks of dirt and gravel and whatnot. You can spray it on all the surfaces on the outside, glass, plastic trim, paint, like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a good coat on here and let it haze up. I'm gonna do one panel at a time. We're gonna let it haze up like that and let it sit a minute. Now, you're gonna wanna do this. You're not gonna wanna do it outside if it's really cold out below freezing, anything like that. Not in the sun, it'll dry too fast, so make sure you do this in a shaded area. So I'm just gonna take my towel, I'm gonna start from the top and work my way down. Get the windows all cleaned up here. And I have two towels. I have a dirt one for really getting that dirt and grime off of there. As you can see, it's pulling a lot of it off. Now, that is dirty. And then I've got a clean one. I'm gonna go back over, kind of buff it up here. Get it looking nice. Get all that out. Like so. Put the clean one there. I'm gonna finish up. This formula is designed to encapsulate the dirt so that it doesn't scratch. All right, get it all done here. Down. Okay. Now I'll take this clean one back here. There. Easy as that. Got a nice high gloss shine. You can see cleaned up real nice. Heck, you can even see some of the scratches in my pickup. Now, with days, you know, with all the droughts and everything going on, there's not an excuse to not have your nice clean car. Water restrictions won't affect you, and you can get this exclusively at SharpTruck.com.